Hi, this is Terry Roth with EasyWinder, and I'm going to show you how to shift from high to low gear, and if the gears are not synchronized, how to easily overcome that with our system. So you can see sometimes it's easy to shift once you've run it and the EasyWinder, or at least your landing gear, hits the ground and you need to shift. You can see there's some binding. So since we went down, the thing to do is have our motor turn up slowly. So the way to do that is you turn it on, hold the up button for 5 seconds. The motor will turn slowly. You can see we were locked in and now we're free. The same thing happens if up and you need a shift. We're kind of locked. You see the gear didn't engage all the way, so we pull it back out. Now we run the landing gear down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see now we're synchronized and we can continue running our system. And that's it. Simple.